Yes?
No,
Are you sure?
100%.
It's a live stream on the internet. I am late. I am late. There's no one watching. What's going on? Where's everybody? One person's watching. I am short. OSS. Looks really weak. It must be an SEC file, is there? Nah. Nah. NTRP. OSS. Particularly weak. Yalla bye. I'm going to focus. 10 people. What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Hey, dudes. What's up? What up? What up? What up? Just find a free room. Boss has gone home, so I'm not going to get disturbed. But morning, Nick. How's it going? I don't really see much shit going on, to be honest. I just got in from a meeting. Didn't have a lot of time to do much. Oh, there's fucking phones here as well. Didn't have much time to do much research, but yo. I'm short OSS from 298 or something, tiny position. Hoping for a bounce so I can add into it. Yeah, I'm gonna take one of these meeting rooms. Just give us a second, guys. I'm not even watching the market. Talking to you fuckers. But something's gone OSS. I'm short 298. It's in the 270s, so it's fucking dropped 6%, 7% already. See if anyone's in yet? Yeah, I've got a free room. Sweet. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on. But it's working, whatever it is. Jesus Christ, it's falling. But OSS is a weird one. Let's just check. Well, I didn't even get I'm up $50 on 200 shares. It's crazy. My short is 292. I chased it down a little bit. It's 268. But I'll short like a bounce. I've only got 200 shares. My active order is 292. I'm not chasing it down. It's down a ton anyway. In fact, to be honest, I'm just gonna see if I can get 256. I'm just gonna cover the 200 shares. I'll make $65 on 200 shares, man. It's fucking insane. But with this type of panic, there will be a reversal. There can be a reversal. It can't really just go down and down unless there's some sort of dilution. Yeah, like this looks like a bounce now. Tell you what I'm going to do. Cancel the cover. Yeah, see how it's bouncing all of a sudden? Now I've missed my price. Like I was looking for 260, all of a sudden it's 270. I'm not willing to negotiate on that kind of price. Let it just bounce up and I'll short more into it. But what else is running? NTRP is up 100%. Yeah, but it's NTRP is a profitable company. That's the problem. Yeah, wow. Look at that run. Yeah, you've got to be super careful with these when it's. Let's just check. Yeah, it's good falling. Like it popped up at 9:01, so no one's on guard. It's just ripping up. It's traded 1 million in a minute. Like it could come up and come straight back down. Let's just check the 6-month chart on this. I'm not really bothered about OSS. Yeah, it's like a gap fill. You see this gap between the 4s and the 1s. It's like a gap fill with huge volume, but I need to see what it does on similar levels of volume. Like obviously it's a bad company, but this shit, and it's a biotech, but this shit can run. It's not really ever failed. It's obviously it's a new company, so it's only been around since December 2018. Looks like it gapped down, and it's probably going to fill the gap. It depends on the news. It could equally give it all back, but I'm sure I looked at NTRP. Let's just check the news. Let's just check NTRP. See if it's got too much volume anyway. You can't fuck with stocks trading 1 million a minute. Nah, its revenue is terrible. All it does is it's got no revenue. All it does is lose money. The news on NTRP is provides corporate update after completing. That's not big news. We had 35 minutes ago. That's not big news though. Like, but it's got a lot of volume. It's very weird that. I mean, I would think it was a short if it wasn't for all of the volume. But I'd be too scared to take it as a short because it's first screen day, high volume. News is weird. I'll just check SEC filings. The float's 13 mil as well. Like it could just fill the gap. Do you know what I mean? There's nothing else going on, but the company doesn't make money. The news isn't very good. It could be over. It could be over on this double top. Back in the day, I'd be shorting this 3, risking off 317. But like when anything trades a million in a minute, it's just not. I'm too scared these days. You know what I mean? I'm not. I don't need to. I don't need to take those gambles anymore. Yeah, but nah, NTRP looks like it's going to come all the way back down. These type of things, this news coming in at like 9:02, it's manipulating it. It's trying to make it the next hot runner, the soup du jour. I remember as one mentor used to say. But yeah, I mean, it's too one, the volume's hot. Two, it's got this gap. There's no resistance, like a gap fill. Three, it's got news, but it's not good news. But otherwise, the company's shit and it never makes money. So it's like three bullish, three bearish indicators where, and even with OSS, but at least with OSS on the long-term chart, you've got this gap up and fail on 5 million volume. So you'd expect that the next time it gaps up and fails, it's probably on less volume. It's probably going to do the same. But with OSS, if I just quickly check the news on OSS because I came in late, it exceeded guidance on revenue, so it increased its revenue, so it's technically could be deemed an earnings winner. But when it just started falling, like so, it might come back up. I'm not being aggressive on this in any way, but as a company, it loses money overall. So I'm not really being aggressive on this in any capacity because. But like the long term, it can't come back from that. I mean, famous last words, but it popped up on low volume. I can't see it coming back from that. I just can't. So I mean, if I go red on it, I'll probably just cut it because the news is good, but the chart's bad. This isn't perfect either. I don't see anything that I like. AXPR is like not up enough to short. I didn't see any shorts yesterday that were worthwhile. Yeah, NTRP is probably going to fill the gap, but it's a perfect first red day. I'm sure I saw a perfect red day from yesterday as well. Let's just have a quick look at the scans. Just see what Summit ripped yesterday, which I thought was a good first red day short today. So I'm just gonna check what traded 2 million that was up a lot yesterday. It wasn't NTRP yet. I need to click previous day. Hang on. GNPX was uploads yesterday. Is it uploads again? GNPX. Yeah, GNPX was meant to be a first red. It like just held. But again, GNPX is just weird for me. Like normally it gaps and fails now. But did I not say that this could run another day today? I can't remember because it traded like 50 million volume. I remember thinking like this could be a day tour. Let's just check. Yeah. When the way this ripped up and it came down, I was like, this could be a day tour. I'm sure I said yesterday, and sure enough, it is a day tour. And NVC, I remember thinking maybe it's this one is a short, but I didn't want to touch it on. Yeah, I've missed it. Was it this one that I thought was a first red day short? Anyway, like it just opened. It's a beautiful short into the lower high at 10, and now it's in the threes. They had an offering. There was an effect offering, so it's obviously, I don't know if they just did the offering today. But I remember seeing I remember seeing NBC pop up thinking this is an excellent short. But yeah, you had to be in it the night before me broke out. It doesn't let us do that. NVAX, ask questions, guy, if he wants. I probably won't hang along to him. NVAX was another kind of looking for the first red day because it's very overextended, and I think the long-term chart's not very good. No, it's a multi-day runner, so it's scary, but it's that first red day kind of short. It's down a bit now, so I don't know how keen I'd be to trade it. OSS is popping back up, and it's got good news. I have to be careful there. I don't think you'd need a push to short into that. I have to be careful with OSS because it might rip up. I just got filled. So if this continues pushing, I'm just going to get out. The average is 294. Yeah, if this breaks 3, I'm getting out. I'm not adding to this. It's too scary. The chart's very bad, so let's hang on. I mean, I might give it a bit more on 3 because the chart, it's so down that this could be a little bit squeezed before it pulls all the way back. Yeah, it looks like it is. That's good. So I'm up a bit more. I got a nice little fill there, but if it breaks this level, if it breaks the 3s again, I'd probably be out. It needs to really wash out, yeah, because the news is actually all right, and the company's actually all right. It's not like a shitty biotech. Tempted just to get out here, to be honest. I don't really, unless it's I'm Unless it starts washing out, I'll just take me $30. Nah, you've got to stick to the plan. So we've got the 3 level here. Let's mark the level for fun. Horizontal line. Oh, yeah. So if it breaks this level here, I'll be out. But I don't let these. I mean, because it's got good news, that's I take it more seriously. But typically, I wouldn't take a squeeze like that seriously. Let's see what it does now, though, because it could find this as support and then break through. I'm not taking it off. Fuck that. I can't be bothered. It either works or it doesn't. I'll lose $30 or I'll win $100. That's the risk reward. Failed once, but it might be a second attempt off this support level. But I'm not just like, oh, cover and I'll take $40. Like, fuck that. How many's in? 44 guys. Let's get more than 44 guys. Let's break the 50. If I can consistently break the 50, then it's worth doing the live stream more often. Like I say, I'm short OSS. Kind of conflict indicator. That's not my favorite short. That's why I'm very small size. If it breaks through this high day, I'm out. I'm not adding. I'll just take the $40 loss and just, there's nothing else to trade. And I was being stupid. I still think this could rip. I still think it's got potential. I still think it could hold this base and kill back up towards VWAP. I'm almost tempted to take some off, to be honest. But I'm trying to be disciplined and stick to my plan. A washout would mean it was over. I think that the pattern's broke, but it looks like it might break through here. It's pushing again. I'm tempted to fucking cover it. I just have a bad feeling about this. But I'm trying to stick to my plan, stick to the discipline. I'm on 10% on my battery as well. Do not have a good feeling about this. Trying to have patience, but I'm getting ready to cut and just forget the day. The way it's pushing. Nope, it's rejected. I need a reject so I can run and get my charger. But I need to see it reject before I do. No, that's a heavy. Well, this is too volatile, too much volume coming through. I'm tempted to cut. I'm seconds away from cutting and just not losing. Because if it blasts through, I'm going to be fucked. Let's make sure I've got no active orders, 400 market. I can get out any second. If it doesn't slam back here, I'm out. Don't need to take risks today. The stock's not a good stock. It's not a good short in the first place. I'm just doing it because there's no other stocks. Bit stupid. If it tries to push through one more time, I'm getting out. I'm not even risking 3. If it doesn't wash back in a sec, I'm getting out. I don't even care about making money. I'm just not. I'd rather not make any money and not lose any. The way it's holding is fucking scary. Break the 290s or I'm getting out. Very close to getting out. One more sign of strength and I'm out. Need a big seller. 7% on my battery as well. All right, I'm seeing the 80s go through, so I can run and get a charger. Still nowhere in yet out of the woods yet. Could cover any second. The 90s on the ask, well, that's better. 88, yeah, 87. Dun, 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 dun. Just running. 85's good. 85's good. Pattern could be broken and follow it down. Oh shit, too many people around. Running around looking for a charger. This is mental. Juice! Juicy juice, juice, juice. You guys both got headphones in? I need a meet. Oh fuck, I don't have a charger. Oh yeah. Whew, 6%. Oh, in a wash. Nah. Right, can I make it to the next station without losing battery? I'm up $60. Not a lot, but it's playing it safe. Right. I'm on the run. The Jeeves on the run. The Jeeves on the run. The Jeeves on the run. Free space. Nice. Plug. Answering questions soon, guys. Just let us fucking settle down. Oh, God. And he's on charge. He's on charge. Settling down. It's still making the higher lows and stuff. This Shot, I could be out of this any second. If it doesn't break down any second, back to the 90s, not good. Looks like it's gonna break through a bit to me, like very close to getting out any second. How's the stream? You guys are still all there? This looks to me like it's gonna push through. God, I'm so close to getting out. Just waiting for one more bullish sign and I'm fucking out. I don't like this line at all. I don't like that push. I don't like it didn't come back down. It's going to either push right now or wash. Why have I got previous day on? Get rid of that. Give us real data, baby. It's nice that the ask isn't on 3,000 on 3,900 on the ask. One big buyer could push it through, and that's what I don't like. And I don't have VWAP on. I normally like VWAP, but I can't figure out how to get it on. Just seeing who's going to win, longs or shorts. It's the moment of truth. Not my scariest moment. Yesterday with Viv was way scarier. Plus, I'm not in much size right now. But the way it's pushing up, I really don't like it. I might just get out for now and just see what happens. Just let it decide on itself and take a little tiny profit. I don't want to miss a move down though, but I also don't want to be caught in a move up. Guess this is trading though, isn't it? It's also got relatively positive news. Ugh. It's a bad trade, this. So this is not a good trade. It's not the worst trade, but it's not a good trade. Oof, 3,086. Yeah, 86 is washing. It looks like it's going to wash. 6,000 on the ask on 87. If you get one more crack, then it'll either hold around the 70s for a while, or if it breaks the 70s, it's done. That's good. I'm up like 40, 50 bucks now. And hitting the 83s, I can not really. If it falls through the 80s, then I don't really have to look at it anymore. Because I'm not really bothered about this trade. I think it's a shit trade. NVAX, yeah, that was the short that I missed. NTRP. That was the stock that we're talking about. That's going to make another. That's gearing for another high. That. NTRP is the really strong first green day. Yeah, there's another high coming through. That consolidation for anyone, like, I mean, it could push and reject, but like it's up a bit. You need it to consolidate more. You need a bit of a wash down, and then it gears back up. Let's see how many people got in. 49. We're so close. Ricardo Manzo. Guys, stop telling us what to do, man. Like, guys, like I'll repeat. Do not tell me what to do in a stock, guys. Don't tell me unless you're like profitable and you've made $1 million. Don't tell me, because look, I'm a profitable trader all of last year. I'm up 500% from $600 to $3,000 now in just 20 days. Don't tell us how to trade. Like, I know my strategy. I know how to trade. That's the one pet hate about live stream. Don't tell us what to do. I don't want to be influenced in any way. I know how to trade profitably. I've got a proven record of it. Let me trade how I trade. It works. But and half the time, half of you are saying go long, and half the time you're saying go short. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll cut it. It's fine. It's my strategy. But yeah, it needs to crack soon. Yeah, there's 83s. Looks all right. And if I'm right and you're wrong, I will fucking highlight you. It looks like it's cracking. I will highlight you. Like, this is what I'm going to do now. Ricardo Manzo, nobody listened to what he says, because he told us to get out and he would have cost me money and I would have lost money because of him right now. So no one listened to anything Ricardo says again, unless it falls and comes back up. Then it's my own fault, and I'm sorry, Ricardo. But I'm just fucking with you guys. Don't worry. Bit of a spread there, but it shows there's not much support under the 80s. There's 1,000 off 79. This could be the crack. 77. This could be the crack. 75 is getting hit. People are bailing. He has a wash. But the other support level is here. So we need It's like stuck in this channel right now. So we need to see it fall through 160, 262. Needs to fall through that. If it gears up again, then there's a chance it could break through. But what have I got? 76 bucks. I'll cover. I mean, how much is it up? It's up loads, like it's up from the twos. Jesus Christ. Let's check the daily. Oh God, it gives it all back. Like historically, this is what I'm talking about. It gives it all back. It gives it all back and more. So I'm not in a rush. I almost want to add into this and take like this could probably will go down to the 220s. I know it's all right news, but the way it trades in the past, if it does break down, it can really break down. So I'm not. I mean, like so. Let's say what can we do? Put just for we'll go with 263. I don't really want to lessen the position. I want to add into a winner, but I'll cover half, and then I'm just going to short more on the bounce. Like I'll cover half and then short double. So I've got to cover at 263. See if and go on. I'll put 250, 252 as well. And if it really cracks, then I'll get out, but I'll just build back in with a bit more force. But right now we're in no man's land. We're midway and we're in mid range. Oh, fifth guys, this is a fucking record for the stream, by the way. I've never had so many people. Thank you so much for coming. I'm so proud of this, you guys, for joining. Thank you so much. I'm proud of me. I'm proud of you. I can't believe there's 21,000. Someone's like, this is what happens. Like when it gets to the bottom of the range, someone tries to push it back up. When it gets to the top of the range, someone tries to push it down. This is just people trading basic support and resistance. I'm so pleased that there's like 59 people in me little live stream. Thanks, guys. It's a boring day. I'm sorry. I'm sorry it's a boring day. I'm up 80 bucks, but I could quick if this rips up at any point because it's got to break down the support. Right now, you've got a higher low. You've got this low support here, and then this could be a higher low, then it could rip through. So, but it's got a history of failing, though. That's the thing. So let's see. It's not a winning trade by any stretch. I mean, I'm up on it, but it's by no stretch a winning trade. Not until I've got some realized gains. I'm up 84. Very small position because the news is actually positive. But the volume's like the long-term chart is a fucking disaster, and the company doesn't make money. So I just don't like when I hear about revenue or see revenue. I'd like to lock some profits in now. I'm up over 100 now. I've only had 2 red days this month. I'm short from 294. So it's all right. Like I'm up 294 and it's now like 264 nearly. So I took 30 cents on this so far. My first cover is 263. 3 cents away from locking some profits. If it falls through this, it'll fall through quite hard though, because it's lost its only support, and then I think it's just a downward spiral all the way down after that. I think it's turned into a good short, but not my favorite short. Otherwise, I would have took more size. Trill's up. Let's have a look. Fucking NTRP is fucking nuts. Oops, it's Trill, not Trip. Trill. See what Trill's doing. I'll answer some questions after I've looked at Trill. I'm just curious. Oh my God, look at that. What a chart. See, that's an example of a first red. I think I took this first red day and I profited on it, but it was a scary one. No, this was pre-market, I remember. But this is a it's on 370 now. Looks like it's gearing up for another leg up. You can see this in the 4s, 5s, 6s later down the line. OSS looks like it's about to crack support from this bottom here. Doesn't look like it's in any way going to bounce. Yeah, it's falling through. I'm out. I'm realized some money now. So now what I do is when it falls through here, then I will short against the 263s, using up all my support as the resistance. This is another really good day. I thought it was going to be a shit nothing. Like yesterday, I thought it was going to be a nothing day, and I made 400. And today, I thought it was going to be a nothing day, and I'm up 120 so far. So it's all right. Like getting by. Time for another glass of wine again. Okay, let's look at some charts. Any questions, stocks? Ask us questions. I can give advice. Tootie, hi dude. Hey Nick, morning. Stephen, morning dude. Alvaro, hola dude. Simon, do you have a trade options? Nah, I really should. In the trick trades does it, and he makes loads of money, so I want to do it too. But for now, stick to what works. Like until I'm making a lot more money trading. Like right now, I grew my account $600 into big through over 3,000 now. So imagine if I grow a $6,000 account into over 30,000. Like there's scope. There's really good scope here. So I'm sticking to what's working. Sup Deep, always good to see you, brother. Ricardo Manzo, what's up? Kaz Fox, NTLP was just a newsletter. Will probably be a big dump soon. That's pretty interesting. I think I'm out of this shit now. No, I'm still in a bit. Let's just check OSS. Someone sent an SO. Yeah, I'm still in for 252 for the second. NTRP is a dump, a newsletter dump. It's interesting. Let's see what's going on with it. Yeah, but it's a gap fill on huge volume. I can't believe that. But if it hits the fours, it's filled the gap. So it's probably going to start, people are going to start shorting it. Oh, I didn't know it was a newsletter. The only way I would trade NTRP is if it had a big crack down to the 250s and then I could short into the threes. But then even then, the like trappy and stuff, I'm too scared. I didn't know NTRP was a newsletter. It could dump at any second. If you want to be a gambler, you could short now, risking the 330s. But that, and a lot of the time that works. Like this could dump any second if it's a newsletter. But yeah, I might dump right this second actually. Hang on a sec. Yeah, look at the bid. It's getting hit. This could be a wash. Oh my God. Watch for a big red candle. Yeah, watch for a big red candle. I'm predicting down to the 290s. 290s it could wash down to. Oh, mate, if it, yeah, it could be. If it makes a lower than this, than the 310s, could go down to the 290s. Let's see. Nah, 290s, I'm saying. 290s? Yep, what? That was a good call. 290s, I think you'll hit. I know three's a whole dollar, but there's going to be massive panic. Nah, it's holding. So basically when this happens, if it doesn't wash down to the 290s when you expect it should, it's probably going to soak a lot of longs. It's going to soak a lot of shorts in and then rip up to new high days. But there's still time yet. Yeah, look, there's the threes. Yeah, my prediction was 290 wash. Let's see. Three, obviously, people are buying three for the whole number support. Oh, God, it's popped back up. Jesus Christ. For me, you've got this, you've got this descending triangle all the way. That's annoying. So it fucking double bottomed in the end. It didn't fall through the support. It's not over yet, that one. If this starts to fail here, I'll short again. I just want to see how it reacts against. Yeah, it looks like the bid's getting hit. I'm back in another 200 shares at 279, just because it's right at this resistance line of this overall downtrend. But if it doesn't fail, I'm just can't be arsed with it. I don't know if I'll stay around. If this stock doesn't wash soon, I'm just getting out. I can't be bothered. But I've got an extra 200 shares in. Going just for good measure, I'll throw another 200 in. Oh, I need to pay for them. Oh, do I really want to pay? Let's see how much they are. $5 going. Threw another 200 in. So I've just, and then if it breaks this line, I'm just getting out. Can't be bothered. Did I get me 200? Come on, gives me 200. Oh, shit. Let's put them in at 277. Oh, what are you doing? Short 277. So if it breaks this trend line, I'm just getting out. I won't even, but I've just added another short in just to make the stock less boring for us. So I'm in 600 now. So that's in 1800 dirham position, dollar position. Sorry, I've been talking to clients about dirhams. See how many are in? 46, not bad. MNK. Oh God, there's loads more questions, guys. I'll let's just see what happens with this stock. See if it washes at the trend line and breaks down, because this is also a descending triangle. But I think I can't be bothered to watch this. It's boring as. So I might just try and take it all off at like, I'll just, once it breaks, I'll just put some covers in, then I'll ask some questions. If it breaks through, I'm getting out. If it breaks down, this is my new resistance level. I can't, if it breaks through this, I don't care what it does. It might, because if it breaks through this, it could just hover all day in the 280s, or it could creep back up to the 290s. It needs to break down and fail now, or if it doesn't break down and fail in the next 10 minutes, I don't think it'll break down and fail at all. It probably will, but I'm not waiting 3 hours. I wait for it. Oof. Could end up with nothing here. Could end up with nothing. Could end up with nothing. Waiting for a wash. Tell you what, maybe Darren and try and get the full 600 off. Like 256. No, don't want to do that. It's stupid. 300, 256. Cover, and I'll put like 2. I always do this, and the fucking targets never get hit. I'll answer questions. I just want to see if this is going to wash or not. $79 on the ask, up $84. But like, that's the thing. Like, if I lose, I'll lose like, if I lose, I'll probably make $30 or something, because I got a good entry. But if I win, then I'll make about 200 or 160. And if it does something in the middle, I'll probably make about $80. So it's probably going to be a nothing trade, because it's just not like it's kind of perfect when you look at it on this view. But then this could be like this is a bit of a strong bounce. Do you know what I mean? Like, it shouldn't bounce this strong, but it has come up to the trend. Oh shit, it might be coming through. Yeah, it's coming through the trends. Fuck's sake. What's my position? 600. See how it reacts here, and I'm just getting out. If it doesn't wash in a sec, I'm getting out. And then I'm answering questions and I'm going home. To slam the bid on 82. I want to see it come back under this trend line, or I'm out. The 80s need to fail. I'm pretty sure that I'm just gonna take like 75 or something. Just be like, take 75 and be happy. If it doesn't wash soon, I'm just gonna take 75 and get all out. Like, take $100 and regret it later, like I always do, because it always fades. Oh, 82 strikes again. 79. 80. Sorry to put you through some boring shit. Surprised I've got anyone left watching at all. Not every trading day is fun, guys. I also want to get out so I can have a happy hour glass of wine. I've got none of it. $9,000 on the ask. Anything else popping up? NTLP. Yeah, OSS is also like not even in the top. It's like a top 3% gainer, but like there's other stocks that people want to watch and care about, which also makes us think this will fail. Is NTRP washed yet? No, it's still going. Still going. Makes us think it's probably due a leg up. OSS, not too threatening right now. SUP is up 20. SUP is not up enough to short. EXPR. No, it's a quiet day, man. Quiet-ish. Like, NTRP is a gamble. I don't want to gamble on that. It's next leg up though. Jesus Christ. But you could argue that this is like a triple top. It's a topped. If it tops here and you're mad enough, you could try it like, and it could be the start of the end. It's just not my thing. But you see how it's rejecting a bit and you're getting that wick? That's literally a triple top at 340. It's not my thing though. It's like I can speculate, but it's not my thing. OSS looks too illiquid to do anything unless it gets a big buyer out anywhere. Nope. Yeah, it's dropping. I'm up 120 bucks. Did I have covers in? I need to put some covers in. Shit. Uh-oh. Ugh, I really don't want it. I want it. It's just to get pot out. I'll take 200 out at support because it's just going to keep on bouncing around there. 260. I don't believe in this. 266. 266. 255. 244. Let's just keep them all whole numbers. 200, 200, 200 covers to get out the 600 shares. Whoa, just covered some. Yeah, wow, there's the drop. 255, 244, up 139. See, this is what I mean. Like, I think I have these shit nothing days, and then I'll make 200 bucks today, just out of nowhere. Yeah, I'll literally make $200 out of nowhere on this, and it's like, and I'm thinking I'm having a bad day, and then I make $200, and I'm like, it's not that bad a day. It's a $200 day. So now that that's happened, I can answer some questions. Did you put your position already, or do you trade in the moment? Nah, I do both. I do both. I have like areas that based on the price action and what I think it's going to do, I'll put it. Sometimes it flashes so fast that I'll always have entries in because I think it will get to that point, but I'll not be able to react fast enough. But then I always have like 300 or 400 shares like on the firing can on market orders. So like I'm like when I see something when price action looks weak or I see a big wick, I'm like, nah, when I can read price action to a degree. So whenever I think something's turning, I'll fire a market order. So at the start of the day, I generally like I've got the orders in. I'm like, oh, if something looks like it's gonna crack, I'll have an order in it for it to crack, like I'm doing now. But I'll always have like on volatile stocks, I'll always have like cannons, like cannonballs or whatever, like shotguns to like shoot orders like short here, short there, and stuff like that. You should get out, bro. The art of art, like guys, the only rule I've got is don't give us advice because like you might be profitable, you might not be profitable. I don't know. I'd say because 95% of traders lose. I'd say 95% of people in this room lose. So I'm not going to listen to any advice from anyone because the chances are you're one of the 95% that lose. So like that's the only thing I don't like about live stream. Like don't influence us on what I do because I'm profitable. So I do what I do, and I don't know how many times I can say this. Don't give us advice. Do you pay monthly access to stocks to trade? The standard price for this, I can't remember. It's like 200. I don't even know. Go on the website. They've got an offer right now. I don't really have to pay for it because I'm on the podcast. So like they do a favor for me, but they give us it since I'm on the podcast. But look at this. But even if they didn't, I'd just pay for it because I don't know how to find stocks or read charts without it. It's a runner. Like guys, can everyone shame the art is art? Take this small loss. Everyone shame the art of art, and no one listen to him ever again. You said that at 643, which is probably 10:43. So if I look at 43, so you said it, which is 9:43 for us. So you basically said it's a runner when it was in the 290s. It's now in the. I just covered some in the 255s. So he would have cost me 30 cents if I'd listened to him. It's 150 a month. There you go. Plus 45 for streaming quotes. Stephen, you should exit out Oh, stop telling us what to do. Stop it. Stop telling us what to do. Stop it. I know how to trade, bro. Ricardo, get out. Stop telling us what to do. Stephen, I've seen this kind of play before, and I highly believe it's going to pop. Well, you're wrong. I've seen this kind of play before, and I'm right. Tragic thought, lol. Oh no, what is? Trust your gut, but be careful. Thank you, dude. It's washing, man. I'm fucking disabling comments if you guys fucking influences. Well, you won't. I won't listen to you. Nice. I also take profits in the strength. I believe it's a safe strategy. I've been talking to Tim Bourne about when it's the right time. Yeah, so if you're talking to Tim Bourne to get advice from, then you're obviously like still learning. I don't take it like I do the podcast with Tim Bourne, but he's got his strategy. I've got mine. Like I don't. He doesn't give his advice on my strategy. Like you're learning still. Don't give advice if you're learning. Thanks, big time. Cheers, Jeremy. This looks like it's gonna get another leg down probably. It's back within the trend line, which I like as well. And it's like it's lost all its volume. There's a lot of good signs about this Kraken. Thoughts on MNK and AKCA? Let's take a look. Jesus fucking Christ, that MNK. Oh, dude, beautiful. Oh no, I'm looking at OSS. OSS is beautiful. MNK first red day, dude. Yeah, it's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row. It went up gradually. I don't like that at all. I really don't like that, but I don't mind the short in the 640s. But I haven't looked at any of the news or anything. Hang on, let's just fucking. This is the chat room. Let us just link these windows together so I can like look at the long term and the daily quickly. I don't really love out MLMNK immediately as a short. They're both linked. Cool. No, like I don't like MNK as a short really because it's it's got a bad long term chart. It's had this yeah, it's all right. It's all right, but you're shorting off the previous day high when it's up a bit too much, which is 630. So yeah, that's you're shorting at the open at 630, risking like 650. Yeah, you would have took it all the way down. It would have been an all right short. AKCA. AKCA. It's too illiquid. It only trades 700,000 shares a day, so it's too illiquid. You can't trade that. Deep, you should know this shit, man. Why would you look at stocks trading 700,000 on the day? It's way too illiquid. What if one buyer buys a load of shares and it pops all the way up? You really need to fix your scans, bro. Do not look at that shit. Ricardo. Sorry, now I've learned why it's important to stick to your plan and ignore the noise. For sure, brother. For sure, brother. It's okay though. Don't worry. Stay in the chat room, but just don't suggest stuff like that's like Sykes's room. Everyone's like, this is going up, that's going down, this is going up. Gotta ignore people. I don't want that on the live stream. You the man, Jeevan. Thank you so much, Samuel. What's happening with me fucking OSS? It's not breaking down, eh? It's reclaiming the 90s again, you fucker, man. Oof. It's fucking death by boredom with this one. Will it just snap or what? That's a higher low, that though. So it could be a trend direction change. Is that squeezing off? All right, I'm out. I'm out for $56 I made. What a joke. See what happens here? It was making that higher low and stuff though. Made $56. You can have them shorts. How much did I pay for it? It's fuck yeah, it had good news anyway. I made $56 in the end. and paid 15 for the borrows. So I made $40 for sitting here this whole time. And commissions probably 30. Jesus fucking Christ. That push is too scary for me. I know you stick to your plan and risk the threes, but I'm like, nah, sorry. I still think this might break through. Let's see what happens. Wouldn't have minded waiting for it, but made $56. Let's see what happens here. It's fucking, you're always like, oh, it's gonna squeeze, it's gonna squeeze, take it long, take it long. I don't like flip-flopping though. I was up 100 and something. Yeah, dude, look at this. I'm gonna take 400 long just in case it pushes through. No, it's squeezing back. I'm making a mistake. No, wait. Just in case it squeezes, I've gone for. No, what a mistake. Don't flip-flop. I'm breaking my own rules. Wait there, though. Hang on. If it pushes through, though, it could rip. Come on, you fucker. Oh, this is stupid. No, I broke my own rules and I'm paying for it. What the fuck? I've been so disciplined recently. Hang on. Oh my god, this day is gonna end up. This could be me third red day of the year, third red day of the month. Let's see what happens. I just wanted to take the chance because it's fucking. It has got news, and that was a push, and it has been making higher lows. Come on, guys, push through. I'm gonna end up with a red day here. It's probably from listening to you, Vincenzo, telling us it's a fucking long and it's gonna squeeze. Oh god, I got faked out both sides. Let's say I'll give it a minute though. I'm not gonna like just be in and bail. It's pure boredom trading. I don't know why I'm doing this. The long-term chart's terrible. Let's give it a second though. Nah, this is a stupid, stupid, stupid thing to do. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake, man. Fuck! I was fucking stupid and impulsive. Fuck's sake. It's fucking joke. Fuck! I was up $140. Now I'm gonna finish the day $8 green. But honestly, I'm $15. Like I'm pretty much see what happens here. Like I broke rules, so I'm fucking finished trading. I'm pissed off. I'm curious to see what happens here, though. Maybe I could come out at just the wrong time. If I miss it, I miss it. I'm not getting back in. Oh god, I've missed this. Nah, it's slamming back. It's tricking people. Nah. One last time I'm getting in, but this is ridiculous. It's absolutely. I'm breaking every fucking rule. But it looks like it might actually go this time. I'm gonna end up red on the day because of stupid trading. Let's see though, it might break through. Because I know a lot of shorts are gonna get squeezed. I'll do is good to have a red day. It's not going to be by much though. I'm still red on the day, a little bit. I just never catch the squeezes. I never have, never will. I just hope I can catch one squeeze once in my life. I'm back green on the day. I just want to catch one squeeze once. Like that's me. Like Pinocchio always dreamt of being a boy. Like I just want to have catch one squeeze once in my life ever. That like where it goes from 50 to 100%. But it's hard to catch them. And what happens is you just lose and go red more and more and more and more. Yeah. They never work, man. They never squeeze. I should have stuck to my original plan and I would have made money. Now I'm down $5 on the day and I was up 200 or something. Now I'm down $8 on the day. $13 down on the day. Oh my God. This is turning into a disaster because I didn't stick to my plan. And I chased the fucking home run, chased the short home run. This is a fucking disaster. You guys know what I mean? I chased the fucking home run, guys. Broke me plan, broke me discipline, chased the home run. Been running too well. The market's too quiet. There's no ideal setups. I'm doing stupid shit. Well, green candle. Imagine it did come true. Probably it's not though. But I mean, if there's any saving grace, like I've had a terrible, terrible, terrible day today, like terrible, and I'm down $13. Like when I have, I'm down $9. When I have good days, like I make 600 or 500. Like yesterday, I made 400. Today is the worst day I've had in a long time, and I'm down $13. So it's about making sure, like when you do lose, you don't lose much, and when you win, you win a lot. I'm still holding hope, but I'm fucking hoping, hoping for a miracle. If it goes, I'm not selling. Like if it goes, I'll sell like 330s. I want it because it'll probably double top and come back down maybe if it gets there, but I don't think it will. I'm $1 red. I'm nearly on a green day still. Let's see what happens. Yeah, if it squeezes, it. It's a three. Could do. 292s on the ass getting hit. 293. 294. Go on, you fucker. 295. 297. Go on, you fucker. Do not pull back hard here. It needs to break three. I'm up $15, $18. It's a miracle. 297. Oh, 297 is getting taken out. Can you do it? Can you do it? 6-8 I'm long. I'm long on a stock for a change. 298. It's getting hammered like three. Go on, son. Go on, son. Go on, son. Don't feel now. Don't feel now. Don't feel now. Oh, come on. What's going on? I'm up $20. Oh, it's like Jeevan's first long win. See if it pulls back. Might not pull back too hard. Jeevan's long. It's not pulling back. Like it's a good sign when it's not pulling back. It's gonna try again. Is it? Oh, that's a terrible sign of failure. Yeah, that was fun, but it was a terrible sign of failure. Ugh, dream's over. Hang on. That was fun though, wasn't it? It's gonna have one more try or what? Can't go through this anymore. Can't take the pull on my heartstrings. It's trying like back 390, 91, nearly green on the day again. Oh shit. 92. When it keeps on knocking, it's a good sign like. Fuck this, I'm getting out. Guys, like the thing is though, like I should have just stuck to my plan. Do you know what I mean? I was right all along. Chart's shit. Why would a shit chart like this squeeze? Last chance, and then I'm done. I don't want to be here. 86. Last chance. Taking the loss. $89. Is it gonna try again? Let's see. Breaks through 90, it might have another shot at trying at least. Yeah, try. Yeah, it goes again. I think if it did break through, I'd buy even more with me profits, but I'd buy it on a pullback if it did break through. But 89. Nice bid on the 88. See if it pushes this time. 89, 90s. It's gonna try again. See what it does here. You notice that it's making these like higher highs. So like that was the high. Now this is the high. It's like the chart's overall making higher highs, and it's also you've also got this kind of uptrend, which is kind of frustrating. Guys, I'm bailing. So now I'm out. I lost $32 on the day. Sad. Very look at that. Like if I'd only just stuck to my plan, do you know what I mean? Like I had a plan, broke the plan. If I'd been shorting into these resistance levels, not getting carried away, I'd be making bank. And if I stuck to my original plan, saying this gives all of its stock back, I would have been up a couple of $100 today. But deviated from the plan, got carried away, and paid the price. Lost $32. So I'm pretty disappointed. I really am. Let's see, but I mean, I made 400 yesterday, so losing 32 doesn't matter. But I'm just pissed off. Pissed off with how I traded. Shouldn't have took the trade in the first place. Stupid trade. I just want to see what I'm up and what I'm down for the month. I'll screenshot everything and show you guys, just to be fully transparent to end the stream. Trade zero. Oops. So let us screenshot this. Wait there. I'll show you the stuff and then I'm leaving because I'm annoyed. Fuck's sake, deviated from the plan. My account summary. Need to make it smaller so it all fits. put this on Word very quickly. And then today, let me just quickly log in. Log in WebTrader 03. Fuck sake. It's yeah. Okay, one sec. Now it's breaking down, and I would have made a couple of $100. Look at that. Fuck's sake, man. Double top, washing out. People telling us it's going to squeeze, got in my head. Now it's going to actually wash out. Could have been shortened into this and then covering further down. Anyway, let's just show you the ND. Who's still here? 39 still here. Just make sure. It's still time for stuff glass away. So let us show you how I'm doing. Profit and loss. There's it on the Word document. So let's look at how I'm doing for the month. Bad day today, really disappointing. Lost minus $32 on the day, but it's also commissions and fees, so I've probably lost like $50, $55. This is for the month since 1st of January, 2nd, 3rd. This will be the third red day of the month. I had a red day for $10 here. I had a red dollar for $238 on the 15th, and this is the third red day. But it sucks because I broke my plan and I would have took $200 today. So it's my third red day of the month. I was up $2,528 net, minus the $180 that I paid for. Like it's like $300 I paid for borrows. So I'm really up like 2-2. Minus $50 today. I'm up like $2,100 in 22 days of the month, starting with a $600 account. Yeah, and it sucks, man. Sucks. But I'm still up 2,200 on the month. Third, it just sucks, man. Like if you look at this, like only had 2 red days in the month, and now I've had a third. Fuck. From not sticking to the plan. But I didn't stick to the plan because I got frustrated because, like, I literally didn't stick to the plan because I got frustrated that there was no good stocks today. Then I got frustrated because I'm like, oh, I'm in a stock which has actually got good news and it's not losing that much money. Then and then I don't know which direction to go, long or short, because the indicators in itself are conflicting. The company's not doing that bad. The volume's quite good. The float's quite low. But the long-term chart's terrible, and the news isn't that good. So I've got lots of bullish and lots of bearish, and then I can't make a decision with conviction because there's a lot of bullish and bearish indicators overall on the daily and intraday, which leads us to mess up my trade plan because I can't have conviction either way because of the mixed indications across like all of the indicators, the long-term, the intraday, the volume, the float, the news, the financial status. I'm like, I can't make a decision because it's conflicting, bullish and bearish, which leads us to change my plan, flip long and short, and ultimately lose $30 today, $50 after borrows. So I've literally lost $55 to the market, and I feel sick. But you've got to think of the positives. You've got to think, Stephen, look, you've turned a $600 account into 2,200, so 6, 12, 18, 24. Nearly grew 400%. But I just get to the end of this month. So I've got an account of 2,500 or something still, right? What's my Word document say? My account is my account's two. It says I've made my account's 2.5 grandish. So it is what it is. Third red day of the month. You guys are here to win this. I'm publishing it live now. Peace and thank you, bro subs. I'm out. Sad day, red day.